जैसा भी हो, एम आई राइट? तो मेरे टीचर है प्रोफेसर सुनंदा लाल, हु इज ऑथर ऑफ प्रदीप फंडामेंटल फिजिक्स. तो आई एम हियर बिकॉज ऑफ माई मदर, my teachers, but above all, my best teachers are my students. On every September 5, I always say Happy Teachers Day. Sir, teacher तो आप हो नहीं भैया, आप ही ने सिखाया है हमको. There is one stone that is called Shaligram. That is very smooth black stone. That stone keeps on rolling down in the river down because it has got a lot of rough surfaces, but due to the friction, it grinds and shines. तो वही हम लोग हैं. हम लोग जब स्कूल में होते हैं वो पत्थर की तरह हैं, टेढ़े मेढ़े कटे कटे, लेकिन जो बच्चे सिखाते हैं, वन लर्न्स थ्रू वन्स ओन ऑब्जर्वेशन. अब कई बार बच्चों की परसेंटेज अच्छी नहीं होती, कई बार परसेंटेज अच्छी होती है, तो मैंने एक लाइन बनाई. वुड यू लाइक टू स्पीक विद मी? बोलो. परसेंटेज is not measurement of one's intelligence. However, it determines one's degree of hard work. One learns through one's own observation. However, a teacher is a positive catalyst. Positive catalyst who increases rate of observation. तो बच्चे को बोलो भैया तेरे मार्क्स कम आए हैं, ज्यादा हैं, कोई बात नहीं, मैं तेरे साथ खड़ा हूं, और आज तेरे मार्क्स कम आए हैं, कल को ज्यादा भी आएंगे, हमारे भी आते थे. तो जब आप इस तरह की फीलिंग दोगे तो बच्चा कनेक्ट होगा. अगर आप बोलो तू नलायक, तू धरती पे बोझ है, तू ऐसे है, उस वहां नहीं, आपकी बात नहीं कर रहा, मैं जनरल बात कर रहा हूं. तो एक एग्जाम्पल है. तो बड़ा अच्छा लगा सर, ये माइक फोबिया भगवान करे सबको हो. और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? There is one teacher, he says कि I sing very well. He is going to sing the song. Okay, is there any teacher who would like to join us in a singing mode for 2-3 teachers, please?
आजा नहीं तुम्हें, please.
Neetu ma'am is very talented. Big round of applause.
No doubt.
अच्छा, so Neetu ma'am is not talented. ठीक है. So God bless you. You are so blessed, and this is a mic for you. We have to pin it here like this. We'll stand here, sir. थकते नहीं गए?
No.
Yes.
आपके साथ कैसे सकते हो?
Oh wow, great. This is a compliment. Yes. हाँ जी मैम.
So what? I have to start. What?
You can sing. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles on my way. Gone are the dark cloud that had me blind. It's gonna be bright sunshiny day. So English teacher, I sang. पंजाबी भी आउंदी है मैनू.
So Hindi song I would like to sing, and one of my
मैं कहना
favorite.
मैडम जो दिल करदा सुनाओ.
This is usually I sing for sisters and fathers. Once I sang, and I'm dedicated this song to all the people, those who are dedicating their life to different goals. मधुबन खुशबू देता है, सागर सावन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है, जो औरों को जीवन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है. सूरज ना बन पाए तो बन के दीपक जलता चल, फूल मिले या अंगारे, सच की राह पे चलता चल, सच की राह पे चलता चल. प्यार दिलों को देता है, अश्कों को सावन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है, जो औरों को जीवन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू
देता है। देखो मैम, आपने एक चीज नोट की, ऐसी क्लास में बच्चे होते हैं जब आप उनसे कुछ पूछ रहे हो फार्मूला या कुछ भी,
Yes,
तो वो बीच में भूले तो साथ में सपोर्ट कर दिया, जैसे मैंने आपको कर दिया। दिस इज कॉल्ड इफेक्टिव टीचिंग।
yes, sir.
It's now effective singing. You sing very well.
Thank you, sir.
Without music, माइक पे गाना मतलब कुछ अच्छे लोगों के हाथ में है। And I don't know, there are some teachers who are very talented and they don't want to come to here, this place. वो बोलते हैं कि कुछ चुपके से सर को मैं कोई मेरा नाम बता दे, प्रपोज कर दे, मैं बुला लूँ।
Many are there, sir. Many like
All are-
even.
Anybody who like to sing one Punjabi song, and after that I'll ask sir to sing one in Malayalam. Sir, Malayalam is one of the most toughest language in the country, and you know our India's defense communication maximum is in Malayalam. Yes, please कर। उसके बाद में फिर सर गाएंगे। सर बोलते मैं गाऊंगा, फिर नहीं, जल्दी आओ। Whatever you like to say. ये पिन अप कर ले। ये ऑलरेडी ऑन है जी।
जुत्ती कसूरी पैरी ना पूरी, हाय रब्बा वे सानू तुरना पिया, हाय रब्बा वे सानू तुरना पिया, जिन्ना राह देख सा सारे ना जानी, ओ ना राह ते सानू तुरना पिया, ओ ना राह ते सानू तुरना पिया।
अभी तुरना नहीं पे आया, खड़ना पे आया। She is singing a song that her shoe is.
They know all.
They all know.
They understood.
अच्छा, ma'am, sister also knows.
Just understood.
Okay. Now, tell me who sings with you.
All.
All. So should we sing a chorus here?
It's your wish.
Okay. Your wish, my wish, right? Dear teachers, all right. I just request you one thing. Like, if you want to say something, or if you want to sing a song, do come. I don't do that activities. के पैर बांध दिए, balloon लगा दिए.
Call the choir group we have.
Please.
Yes.
I call the group. Which
Jyoti
group?
ma'am, Neetu ma'am, school choir we have. Like staff choir. Staff.
Staff choir, ma'am. Please come here. Wow, great. You're galaxy of talented people, you know. Just, ये आप भी रुकिए ना फिर. ये mic.
She is Vanita Chawla. Song. Any song. Zindagi Semi specific or art choice.
Whatever you like.
जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी गम का सागर भी है, हंस के इस पार जाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा। है अगर दूर मंजिल तो क्या, रास्ता भी है मुश्किल तो क्या। ला 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 ला, है अगर दूर मंजिल तो क्या, रास्ता भी है मुश्किल तो क्या। रास्ता रो घड़ी ना मिले तो दिल का दीपक जलाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी गम का सागर भी है, हंस के उस पार जाना पड़ेगा।
So, There are so many teachers. They said, "Hey, sir, we like to sing." So, आप लोग ये तो पंजाबी च कहते हैं जिन्हें कितनी ਉਹਦੇ ਫੁੱਟੇ a person who feels shy will always be a dry, right? So anyone, some teachers don't participate because they have this feeling that what the other will say. So I'll say, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का छोड़ो बेकार की, कहीं बीत ना जाए रहना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. Now sir will come and कुछ तो सर कहेंगे. आइए सर.
Sir will say only 2 lines in the honor of teacher, dedicated to teachers only. Teaching is the profession. Teaching is the profession which teach all other profession. Thank you. Am I right?
Thank you. अच्छा ये जो मैंने बोला.
Compliment for me.
Okay. मैंने सोचा.
No, not you. You already got in plenty.
Okay. Don't feel jealous.
No, not with you.
I just love you. Actually, I'll tell you
Human
one
nature.
thing. जब मैंने कहीं सुना था, like जब इंडिया का सिस्टम बन रहा था तो उस वक्त बंदों ने बोला IAS, Indian Administrative Services, IRS, Indian Revenue Services, IFS, Indian Foreign Services, and IPS, and so many things. According to me, they should have ITS, Indian Teaching Services. It should be the highly paid, private school teachers, whatever is private system is paying, same government of India should contribute.
Sir, repeat it.
Okay, so I always pray that to Almighty, let your purse be always full of money. Okay, whenever I need, I'll ask that GPay 9814121916. God bless you, really amazing people you are all. And I'll tell you one thing, whenever I meet teachers, most of us, we don't know each other and we are just unknown to each other. And I know, for me, you are one family, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, Uttarakhand. When you're talking about the Himachal at Kangra, I was talking about every city, every town and village. So same is the scenario with Uttarakhand, Haryana also. तो हमारे इस देश के टीचर बहुत गजब है. प्राइम मिनिस्टर सर, आप बोलते हो, बड़ी अच्छी बातें सुनाते हो, कुछ हम टीचर्स के लिए भी कुछ करो. मैंने एक जगह स्कूल में गया तो टॉपर लड़की को ऐड में, दूसरे स्कूल में गया तो लड़की टॉपर. तो जितने भी स्कूलों में 90% गर्ल्स आर द टॉपर मैम. एंड अवर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर, ओनली फीमेल्स विल स्पीक विद मी. बोलो डियर, speak females loudly. Dear Prime Minister, kindly change the slogan. Beta bachao,
No.
beta padhao. So we need to care about our males because दूसरा, हमारे बच्चों के अंदर एक और बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, वो आइसोलेटेड है, उनमें अकेलापन है. उस अकेलेपन को दूर करने के लिए वो किसी का दोस्त बनाते हैं. उस दोस्ती में उनकी डेविएशन स्टार्ट हो जाती है. तो सम मूव इनटू द राइट डायरेक्शन, सम पीपल मूव इनटू द वर्स्ट डायरेक्शन. तो काइंडली आइसोलेट such students but don't public. Meet them, talk to them. They may take it otherwise, but you can save their life. तो बच्चे जो नशा करते हैं उनमें अकेलापन होता है और वो किसी से बात नहीं करते हैं और फ्रीक्वेंटली उनमें मतलब अजीब से मूड स्विंग्स आते हैं. तो यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई, बट डोंट टेल दैट यू नो. और पेरेंट्स कभी भी अपने बच्चे का फॉल्ट नहीं मानेंगे. ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है. बस आप अपने लेवल पे बच्चे के साथ फ्रीक्वेंसी बनाओ और आप उसको काफी चेंज कर सकते हो. So I request Honorable Nagpal Saab here on the mic.
Am I free, sir?
You're such a lovely personality. Thank you,
Same
sir.
to you, sir.
Thank you.
Same to you.
Thank you. First of all, I am highly grateful to Amit Nagpal sir, who is a very sincere officer of Cordova, and I got an opportunity to conduct, I think, more than 15 workshops with him, and he is really inspiration for me. He called me, like he said, sir, when you started, I said I have crossed Bathinda. So, a big round of applause for Amit Nagpal. Had Amit not been there, I would not have been. I'm a freelancer basically. I conduct workshops on numerous publications, but Cordova is my first love because my first workshop was in TLF Moga on behalf of Cordova. Though I've done from other platforms too, but I am a resource person. I'm a physics teacher. I do workshops with the students of my own, and I love to conduct workshops wherever sister will recommend me, anywhere, any place. But just 24 hours before I need to be intimated, I will be there. I'm 3 in 1. I'm driver, I'm assistant, I'm a resource person because nobody can tolerate me. So I'm all alone moving, one man army. And big round of applause for Nagpal sir once again. A few words, Nagpal.
No, so thank you, sir, for your wonderful session. Thank you, sister. Thank you, Little Baba Group. So for giving us a time to give a presentation and introducing sir to your institution. Thank you, sir.
ये दिल मांगे मोर कुछ और बोलिए.
बस सर बहुत बढ़िया.
Actually, I'll tell you one thing. He is the personality, you know, like I'm sharing his sincerity. I was doing one workshop in Maluka. I was not having a calendar. Somehow he listened that I need a calendar. Without telling me, he left the place. He went to the market and purchased a big calendar for me. So this is what I love him. You know, like means he knew everything and what caring as sir. Very, very caring. I think your wife must be very lucky. Am I right?
Thank you, sir.
Why are you feeling shy?
No, sir. बस.
He's very caring, very caring. No, you are caring because I'm a resource person or you are caring for everybody?
Sir, caring तो वैसे ही है, sir. ऐसे ही है.
Well, very nice. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
May I take the mic?
Yes.
I request sister to say some final words. This mic, you can place it with it.
Good afternoon, everyone. I think we are lucky to have Sir Vipin with us today to conduct this workshop. When first time when he introduced himself to me, he said, "Sister, I'm going to conduct an organic workshop." I heard it for the first time. Then he asked me, "Shall I explain it?" I said, "Yes, please." When he explained, he told me he won't be using any technology to conduct this seminar. Rather, he will be involving all the teachers on effective teaching. The topic for today was ACT, and I think after concluding an academic year, we are here and almost 1.5 month, the teachers were so hectic. They had very hectic schedule, and after that, today they have relaxed with your workshop. I think they have enjoyed. I have missed it for a few hours. I have missed the seminar, but the time when I have spent here, I too have enjoyed it, the effective teaching, and I think they will be taking forward in their classrooms. That will be more beneficial for the children as well. The children finally they will be benefiting it from the teachers. So thank you, sir, for spending your day with us, and we look forward for the further seminars for the students.
Sure.
So God bless you wherever you live.
If you permit me, can I invite Dennis sir for 2 minutes? Dennis sir, please. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. God bless you. I'll tell you one thing. If what is a teacher, if teacher is called by anyone, say head of institution, the head of institution will say, ma'am, you do like this, yes ma'am. Sir, you do like this, yes ma'am. You have to check like this, yes. Then coordinator will say, then vice principal say, then so many things. We say yes. Once we come out of the room, करना वही है जो सोचो. And one more thing, adding to flavor. Suppose जब आपको ऐसा उपदेश मिला, if you are given so much sermons like this, a person who is sitting inside the room is coming out, you are entering. When you come out, पक्का इन्हें आग लगाई है. She must have fueled the principal ma'am that हालांकि उनकी कोई बात नहीं है, इसलिए united we stand, divided we. कभी भी किसी भी टीचर के मन में कुछ किसी के प्रति कोल्ड वार हो तो बैठो कि मैम मेरे मन में ये चला हुआ है, सही है वो कहां हूं मैम, मैं तो कभी गल ही नहीं करती ऐसी, मेरे को तो टाइम ही नहीं, मैं तो अपनी परेशानियां चुलदी पई हैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ मैं देख के मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ कदे इग्नोर ਕੀਤਾ है, परसों मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ विश ਕੀਤਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ इधर ਨੂੰ ਮੂੰਹ ਕਿਉਂ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ, why did you turn, मैम ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਪਤਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਘਰੇ ਕੀ ਸਿਆਪਾ ਪਿਆ ਹੈ. You people always try to talk with that frequency to which you expect, sometimes you don't get, doesn't mean the person is against you. So we are all one. Our main soul is, I am so blessed to meet the teachers who have been teaching here for 30 plus years. Big round of applause for teachers. Honorable Dennis sir. Yes. When I talk about Danny sir, you remind me my favorite actor, Danny Denigama.
Danny.
Take it, sir.
Yes.
Danny sir, actually, sports is one of the main, topic nowadays. But मैं जब भी बच्चों को मिलता हूँ, whenever I meet the students, they are not able to walk. If they run, they are breathless. Not like Shankar Mahadevan, but they are breathless.
Yeah.
Dennis sir, what message you would love to convey to the students and particularly people of Punjab?
Regarding
Whatever you like. Sports, obviously, sir.
sports is the best. Nowadays, that is all the people are under drugs. If they are involving the sports activities, that will be the best release from such type of the peoples. Those who are under drugs, especially in Punjab.
Yes, sir.
Because nowadays students tendency, they are having the more energy. The energy they are having, they don't know where the energy they have to put it. If they will come under the suppose sports, then the energy will be diverted into the other matters. Otherwise they will, that is why the students are creating the problems.
Yes, sir. Very nice, sir. So, Dennis sir,
Yes.
it's a nice message, but I'll tell you one thing, sir. We Punjabis are being unnecessarily given a bad name, Urda Punjab. The guy in Chandrayaan was my student, Manish Gupta from Patiala. One of my student is a scientist in Europe Space Agency. One of my student is a doctor in cancer, USA. But in India also, the first top ranker of AIMS is my student, Tej Rawat. So, I tell Almighty and society and media, Punjabis are very hardworking. They are emotional. They need love, care, and respect. And with the blessings of sister and Danny sir and history teacher and all staff of Little Flower. This seems to be Little Flower is a very big flower. So may Almighty bless you with more serenity to accept the things which you can't change, but to do the changes also among the society. We are highly indebted to Kerala,
Yeah.
who have been giving us so much, you're showing us so much, light to prosper better way. And I'm highly grateful to sister and the church here that I got an opportunity. So may Almighty bless you, sir, and make Punjab to also India's most educated state.
Surely.
So we have a lot of expectations from you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbyes are never bad. It means something else is about to begin. It's an honor for all of us to be the part of this wonderful event.
May I stand there?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. पता तो लगे मैं भी हूँ ना, मेरे लिए बोल रहे हैं.
On the behalf of this worthy management and teachers, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our resource person Vipin Sharma, sir, and his representatives Amit Nagpal and Akashdeep Singh for the meticulous planning and execution. A wide round of applause and thanks to all the participants who has made this event a memorable one. As we stand at the cups of this momentous workshop, let's weave a tapestry of gratitude, a sympathy of appreciation for the radiant tapestry of the sport that has brought us on the land of Shri Muktsar Sahib. Thank you.
Thank you, beta. Bye. I think बोलना तो बड़ा आसान है, टॉलरेट करना मुश्किल. आप बेंच पकड़ के तो नहीं बैठे बाहर के. So any teacher like to say something? Then otherwise it's okay. अच्छा.
As I begin with the welcome speech, I use that we are quite confident that we are going to be inspired and motivated. And I must say, and I feel that everybody will be agreeing to the point. Yes, we are inspired and we have learned a lot from you, sir. We really have learned a lot from you, sir. And hopefully we will implement the ideas given by you in the coming session. And yes, we will try to meet the expectation of the kids, the parents, what they expect from us. A little more energy. Whatever we have gained from you, the ideas given by you, many ideas you have on different subjects, your knowledge definitely beyond what I say. I can't use the word, the appropriate word. Your knowledge has really wondering us, no? So once again, from the bottom of my heart, on behalf of this little fraternity, I extend warm thanks to you, sir, for your time and the moments, the precious moment you have given to this institution. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. मोनिका मैम, 1 मिनट के लिए. मोनिका मैम, मेरे को एक बात याद आई, फिर मैं रास्ते में बोलता जाता, मैं फोन नंबर लेके से बात करता है ना. एक पिक्चर आई थी बहुत पहले हमारे बचपन में, बोलता था, देख मेरे पास क्या है, बैंक बैलेंस है, ये है, वो है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? वो बोलते थे मेरे पास माँ है. अब आपको कोई बोले ना, मेरे बाप के पास 600 एकड़, 700 एकड़, 800 एकड़, 900 एकड़ है, कि बेटा मेरे पास नॉलेज है. How's it?
सर मुझे ऐसे कोई नहीं बोलता.
इवेंट खत्म हो गया.
मैंने एक कॉमन प्रॉब्लम बोली.
Okay, thank you very much.